Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to be online and signed into the correct 2K account, otherwise codes won't apply. Once the game is running, go straight to the mode that accepts locker codes, My Team, or the main menu redeem code screen depending on platform. Make sure you have your codes copied, because typing mistakes are common. After that, pause any downloads and confirm server status briefly, then move to the redeem code option to start entering codes now. You should paste or type each code exactly as shown. Case and symbols matter, so double-check hyphens and spaces. Once entered, press confirm and watch the on-screen confirmation for the reward. Do not spam multiple attempts if it fails. If you have many codes, redeem them one at a time and wait for the animation to finish before proceeding, because queued redemptions sometimes drop or get blocked. If you're using the companion app, follow the same precise entry steps to avoid issues. After a successful redemption, go straight to your My Team or inventory panel to claim and equip any items. Pieces may sit in a pending rewards area. If the item doesn't appear, restart the game and check server status. Often a quick reconnect makes rewards show up. If a code shows invalid, it's probably expired, region locked, or already redeemed. Verify the source and time window. One final tip. Clear cache or reinstall only if support confirms it. Then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.